नमस्कार मित्रों, स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। इस YouTube चैनल पर आपको मिलती हैं शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशंस, फ्रेजेस और आउटलाइन। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको एक ही मैटर पर 3 डिफरेंट स्पीड्स में डिक्टेशंस मिलती है। दोस्तों, ये चैनल आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। मैं कहूँगा कि आपको ये सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए, ठीक है। और अगर आप हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से या हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप से जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और ये जो मैटर लिखने वाले हैं इसकी एक डिक्टेशन अपलोड कर दी गई है, दूसरी डिक्टेशन अपलोड करेंगे जो कि स्पीड होगी 120 वर्ड पर मिनट। और अभी हम 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड से ये डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 5 seconds. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, for the last 3 years we had no import of cereals. The minister was good enough to answer these questions, but they are not convincing. And Mr. Deputy Chairman, this is happening particularly at a time when the balance of trade is so adverse to us, and I think the House knows about it. The adverse balance, the trade deficit in 1996 to 97 was of the order of rupees 5,000 crores, the highest in the economic history of this country, and the credit goes to the ruling party. If the ruling party would like the present government to claim the credit for that, I have no objection. There were about rupees 12,000 crores of imports as against only rupees 7,000 crores of exports. With such a large trade deficit in 1986 to 1987, Mr. Deputy Chairman, what was the provocation to import wheat? Para. The government have claimed that the sugar production had gone up to 52 lakh tons from some 38 or 39 lakh tons, while claiming actual increase of production by 21% in oil seeds. Why do we still import edible oil? Then you know, Mr. Deputy Chairman, in the last 4 years we have imported more than rupees 2,000 crores worth of edible oil, and it was not so earlier. From 1982 to 83 we have been importing edible oil, and I think last year we had imported more than rupees 650 crores worth of edible oil. We can understand import of crude oil. We always take shelter under the international inflation as though that is being imported through the crude oil. We are importing almost everything at a time when there was a much greater trade deficit of rupees 5,000 crores. In one of the question raised in the Lok Sabha, the finance minister answered that the reserves have come down to less than rupees 1,100 crores, which at one time went up to over rupees 5,000 crores. In fact, our balance of payment position was being sustained by the remittance mostly, and the invisible receipts and from the Indians working abroad by their remittances. I think we should be very grateful to them that they have allowed our balance of payment position to be kept up in favor of and not adverse. But those reserves have been drawn, and now they have come down to less than rupees 1,100 crores just now. Thank you.